Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a get ready with me for 420. We're going to the club. I'm gonna be going to Delilah's. There's this company that's hosting because they're part of like the 420 community. Chantel Jeffries is gonna be DJing tonight, and I've never been to Delilah's and I'm going with my best friend, so it's gonna be exciting. I'm literally in a rush right now, but this is like, I look so good. I love it, I love it. So I will see you guys, I'm out of breath, in just a second. Bear with me, get ready with me today. I know my foundation looks crazy, don't come at me. I'm literally about to put on my tanner. You guys already saw in the first clip that I look real juicy, so that's all that matters. Today we're getting ready to go to a 420 party. I'm gonna be going to Delilah's in LA. It's a club. I'm excited. I'm gonna be going with my best friend Allie. Chantel Jeffries is gonna be DJing, so I'm excited. I've never seen her DJ. It's gonna be a fun time. It is currently 5:11, but I wanted to get ready early so I could just, you know, chill. I was actually going to have a little moment before so we can pregame. Maybe I'll save that for another video and I'll like do it with Allie. I've never done any of that type of content on my channel. Let's get out of the comfort zone, okay? So anyway, try to ignore this. By the way, look at my little nails. They're like little spring nails. This review on this YSL foundation is gonna be coming up. That's where I did it before. Luminous matte foundation, and it is super full coverage from like what I'm seeing. But if you guys wanna see the full review, I'm doing like a whole 24-hour review. We're gonna be going to the club. I'm gonna be filming how it looks like, see how it looks like in flash, how it does in photos. So I'm excited. I have been absolutely dying love to try out this new NARS Laguna cream bronzer. They have 4 different shades now. They have a few shades. This one is in the shade 4. I don't know if this is too dark, honestly. I'm gonna be very light-handed because I did a review. I don't think I've posted it yet with like the Laguna number 2 or something, and it was way too light. Like it was like grayish. I also wanted to try this Revolution concealer. This is the new Revolution IRL Filter Finish soft matte concealer in this shade C5. Chubby. It's not chubby, it's just kind of like a slanted like dovelet. I'm gonna be placing, oh, it feels a little funny. Oh my god, what does it feel like that? It feel like it kind of gave me chills. What the duck? It kind of feels like it's not even touching. Like it's so soft that you can't even feel it. I don't know, it feels a little funny. Let's just hope and pray that it's not going to break up my foundation. Today is probably not the best time to be trying out new makeup products. Okay, I'm not the biggest fan of how it's applying, so I'm gonna let this kind of marinate, and I don't know if that's gonna be a bad or a good idea, but we're just gonna trust the process. So we're taking Laguna number 4. Ew! I'm gonna be taking this cute little lime crime brush. Look how cute. It like rains glitter. I love it. So cute. I would be lying if I said that I was feeling confident about this. This is like a little too cool toned for me, I think. I never like to have a little blank space here. I always need to fill it. I'm a little scared. I'm actually very terrified. Do this. Okay, this is looking nice on the nose. I do not want to be blending this out with a beauty blender because I feel like it's just going to give me a hard time. Fudge. Okay, let's blend this out. Wait, this is blending like a dream. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is blending like a dream. So I'm doing it with the other side of the sponge. Did we just do something? A beauty blender. Actually, this isn't a beauty blender. This is my Ride or Die LA Girl sponge. If you guys are interested in getting anything LA Girl, you guys already know the drill. You guys can use my code Aidette10 if you want to save some money. Look at how beautiful this. Oh my gosh, I feel like this foundation is gonna be promising. Like, yeah, it's a little bit cool toned, but I feel like it's just giving. And blend out the concealer and see how she's gonna be treating us today. Things are going great today. I love doing this little trick of like taking the concealer all the way up. Do you see how like everything is just like beautifully like highlighted and everything is just like perfectly snatched? Everything is just seamless together. Okay, NARS, at first when I tried this out, I'll be posting another like full new products review later on. When I first tried this one, I did not like it. It was just too natural for me, and then I don't even know what I was feeling. I could have went maybe like a shade down, but even this like works beautifully. Like, I'm not used to cool tones, but this is like beautiful, guys. So I give the Laguna a 12 out of 10. I'm not even joking. If needed, we can go back in, hit the spots that we need. This is absolutely beautiful. Like, you guys tell me what you think. I'm not really sure what look I'm going for today, but I am wearing a full gold outfit, so I'm just thinking I'm gonna do a very minimal look. This is the LA Girl Pro powder in the shade Banana Yellow, and she just never fails me. I've gone through at least like 1,000,000,005 of these. I'm a fiend for a bright under eye, and I like to layer my concealer sometimes, so we're just gonna hit that inner part. You take a concealer and like you pat and focus in one spot rather than instantly just dragging everything out. You're gonna get that full coverage. You see this? I always get asked how I don't get any creasing. It's because I instantly use my little powder puff. Just tapping your powder rather than swiping it. One thing that I just can't stand is my face feeling wet. I cannot stand it, so I always want to make sure that my face is matte. I'm gonna be using my bronzer. When I say LA Girl comes through for me, see, I've hit pan on these like 8 billion times along with my powders. She's not broken. This is LA Girl pressed powder, warm caramel. I'm just gonna be taking like a very small amount because we already definitely went in on the cream bronzer. Allie told me she was gonna be doing maybe like a wet hair look too, but then she was like, but I'm also probably thinking of doing a bun. I'm gonna be wearing fake tan and I don't want it to be getting everywhere. Like I don't want my fake tan to like goop off because I'm wearing like all these oils in my hair, you know. I knew I should have went to Walgreens before I started this video. I literally never do this, but I kind of have like the urge to do like a really bright like champagne-y eye in the inner. I like haven't done that since like freaking freshman year. This is what she looks like. She is in Laguna Sunset. This color is just so pretty. Like let me just swatch it. I dug my nail into there just like seconds ago, but it's really pretty. For tonight's blush, I'm gonna be using a super bright peachy blush. This is like a peachy like warm blush and it's so pretty. This is like one of my favorites. Kevin Aquan's Apricots. I'm gonna be taking a little stippling brush like this from Sigma. This is the F55. Have you guys heard of anyone like talking about Sigma anymore? Like I see it here and there, but like I literally see it like once in a freaking blue moon. Beautiful this is. I've always loved using a stippling brush for applying blush because it's just like it'll give you a lot of coverage, but it'll just give you like that airbrushed look. It has very soft fibers, it's synthetic, and then opposed to, you know, a brush like this, it can be a lot and you can get like that clown effect. Okay, this was really random, but you know when someone just, you can tell someone's a bad vibe just by the way that they like message you? Oh no! This is my Makeup by Mario trusty brow pencil and I am out. LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Blackest Brown, but I feel like it's a little too dark for me. Actually, I might use this for my brows. I'm a little scared. The one thing that I absolutely despise messing up on is my brows. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Baked Brown palette. I love this. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here. That lifted eye look. It's giving Doja. Like, okay, it's not giving full on like Doja because Doja has her brows like all the way up there. I just know tonight they're going to be playing some bomb music, so I'm hyped. I'm also going to be taking this like eyeshadow. Instead of saying something looks beautiful or so cute, like I'll just say like, oh my god, this is so juicy, or like this is so delicious or scrumptious. But like you OGs, like I see you guys in my comments like saying like us with their little lingo, and I'm just gonna bring like some lights up here because I'm doing these super bomb transitions on TikTok and I'm so excited for you guys to see them. They're probably already up by now. All my socials are always down below, so why haven't you followed me on everything? I thought we were friends. This is by CoverGirl. This is the Perfect Point Plus liquid liner, and this is the brown color. I've had it for like some time already. Okay, juicy. I feel like no, I messed up on the shape today. I hate when I mess up my liner. After a long, chaotic time of trying to figure out what's going on with my liner, they're pretty even, okay? I put on a coat of mascara. This is the Lancome Lash Idol. So I'm using one of my favorite lashes ever by Lava Beauty, and these are in the style Sweetheart. These are like, I've already used this pair like 4 times, I know. I like to put my lashes like pretty, like dramatically far up. Oh my goodness, oh! I'll be back with the lashes on. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to freaking pause everything because there was what I thought there was a gas leak in my house. Anyways guys, I put on the lashes and I put on the highlight that I told you guys about in the NARS palette, and it's so cute. I sprayed some of this Urban Decay all-nighter. This has been my favorite since I was in high school. I just put it like on the brow bone, and then I put it like down the nose, and like I really put it heavily right here in the inner corner. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. I totally just stopped in my tracks because my camera died, but the last thing that we did is we put on this lip combo, which is so freaking pretty. This is gonna be my like new every day. On the outside for my lip liner, I put on the 2 Dose of Colors, the Always Late lip liner, and the She's Ready lip liner. So this is like a dark brown and then like a taupey brown. And then over top I put Anastasia Beverly Hills Naked. This was like my OG, like my go-to, like no lip liner, just this. Low-key concealer look, like all of like 2016 and then for like a few years after that. This is the same one. I know makeup expires, but like, am I the only one that just doesn't listen to that? This is like my favorite NARS lipstick freaking ever. This is, oh my goodness, why can't I read that? This is the Belle de Jour lipstick, and it is so pretty, guys. It's like the perfect nude color, but it's like insanely like wet and glossy. Like, do you see this? It's really, really glossy, and it applies so beautiful. This was a very chaotic get ready with me, but I love this look, guys. Look at my outfit. This is a little fitty. Ooh, so cute. I can't really figure out my shoes. They're looking amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next video.